Hello all. Continuing with the topic, last lecture we saw what is data warehouse and how it is useful, what are the benefits. So just having a quick recap, we saw that a data warehouse is nothing but a decision making support system. ऐसा decision making system where we keep data which is necessary for analyzing for strategic information. Like वो information, वो analysis help us to take better decisions. And also we saw that it is a blend or say combination of many technologies where your operational data needs to be transformed into strategic information, and that strategic information is then used for making decisions in future. Next, we see what are the features of data warehouses. So as we see, these are the four available features. First is the data warehouse is subject oriented. Second is it is integrated. Third, it is time variant. Fourth, it is non-volatile. So let us see this one by one. Subject oriented. Now, what do we mean by subject oriented? As we know that a data warehouse is nothing but a system where only necessary data is kept. So, subject oriented in the sense कि जो काम का है जिस सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड है वो उतना ही रिलेटेड डेटा विल कीप इन द डेटा वेयर हाउस रेस्ट ऑफ द डेटा विल बी एक्सक्लूडेड. It is given over here. A data warehouse is subject oriented because it provides information around the subject rather than the organization's ongoing operations. यानी पूरे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में क्या ऑपरेशंस चल रहा है, कहाँ क्या ट्रांजैक्शंस चल रहा है, कहाँ क्या प्रोडक्शन हो रहा है. If all this data is not needed, then we'll exclude those data and keep only the data which is necessary for decision making, which is necessary for us to know, to understand, and to analyze. These subjects can be products, customers, suppliers, sales, revenue, etc. So as you see, these are the operational applications. उसमें सारा होता है, order processing होता है, consumer loans, consumer billing, account receivable, claims processing, savings accounts. ये सब broader aspects में data store किया है. But if our subject is like very to the point and only for related to something that helps us, then we'll keep that data only to that topic. For example, जैसे order processing में सबसे important होता है अपने लिए sales. कि sales कितना हुआ है, how is the sales affecting, whether it is growing over the years or it is coming down, then what are the advantages of it, what are the disadvantages of it, how will the company suffer, how or say how will the company grow. So only sales related data will be kept in the data warehouse. Similarly for customer, only customer related, अभी customer है, loans है, only customer related information and the account related information, किसने कितना transactions किया, कहाँ किया, कब किया, that is not important. We'll only see कि कितने साल में कितने customers ने join किया, किसने account open किया है, किसी ने loan लिया है, नहीं लिया है, and so on. फॉर एग्जाम्पल क्लेम्स पॉलिसी, तो कौन से क्लेम्स है, क्लेम्स बेटर कैसे हो सकते हैं, कितने पॉलिसीज बेचे हैं, कितने लोगों ने खरीदे हैं, विच पॉलिसीज दे आर इंटरेस्टेड इन. सो दैट इज व्हाट वी मीन व्हेन वी से दैट ओनली टू द पॉइंट डेटा इज kept. So how this to the point data is kept? It is done by excluding the data that are not useful concerning the subject. As I mentioned कि जितना जरूरी है उतना ही data will move to the data warehouse. Rest will just exclude it from the system, not from the overall memory, but only from the data warehouse system, and including all the data that the users need to understand the subject. It does not focus on ongoing operations, यानी ये सब चीजें कि overall क्या चल रहा है, कैसे चल रहा है, it does not focus on that. Rather, it focuses on modeling and analysis of data for decision making. जो जैसे मैंने बोला जो भी related data है, जो भी important है, it only focuses on that, because of which it is possible for us to make correct decision. So this was the first feature of data warehouse, that was subject oriented. The next feature is integrated. Integrated means combining. So we all know that a data warehouse integrates various heterogeneous data sources like RDBMS, flat files, and online transaction records. अभी डेटा वेयर हाउस में हर एक चीज के रिलेटेड डेटा होता है जो हम कंबाइन करके एक ही जगह पे रखते हैं. So this combining data at one place is nothing but called as integrating that data. अभी हमने सेविंग अकाउंट रखा है, चेकिंग अकाउंट रखा है, लोन अकाउंट रखा है. So इन सब में से important data जो भी रहेगा, everything we are keeping it and we are then combining it over here at one place. So that feature is nothing but called as integrated. While integrating, it requires performing data cleaning and integration during data warehousing to ensure consistency in naming conventions, attribute types, etc. among different data sources. अभी data cleaning की जरूरत है. Cleaning in the sense कि काफी बार data का copies बहुत सारा बनता है. It is stored, multiple copies are stored over the systems. So when you transfer that data to data warehouse system over here, you have to make sure that your data is clean, in the sense there is no ambiguity, there is no confusion, plus the naming convention is same everywhere. If there are multiple accounts, say savings accounts hai, checking loan ke liye bhi same naam hai, then you should make sure that the data is consistent, that it is proper and there is no confusions in it. Next is that the data warehouse is time invariant. Time invariant in the sense, see, historical information is kept in a data warehouse. Historical in the sense कि बहुत सालों का, even a decade information can be stored in a data warehouse. For example, one can retrieve files from 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, or over even previous data from a data warehouse. Yani, एक data where it is not that we have only one data warehouse systems. We have n number of systems like that. So it may happen that people are retrieving data from past 3 months, past 6 months, 12 months, or even data from previous data warehouse. So these variations with the transaction system where often only the most current file is kept. These variations takes place, यानी data कभी भी थोड़ा modify हो सकता है या शायद linked up हो सकता है. So ये सब variations possible है because only the current file is kept in the current system. So time invariant का मतलब है that you can access previous data while you are keeping the current data in the current system. Next is non-volatile. Now, non-volatile means that your data, that is your previous data, is not erased while the new data is added to the system. Now these are the operational systems in which daily basis पे कुछ ना कुछ operations perform होते ही रहता है. So in that case, अगर कुछ ऐसा data है which is very important for us, then we can transfer that data to the data warehouse system where we can make decisions. So non-volatile means even if you're adding new data, it doesn't mean that your previous data will be deleted. It is just that your previous data will be as it is and new data will be added to it. The concept of non-volatile is where your data is stored permanently. So hence in a data warehouse system, your data is always stored permanently. It is not volatile. यानी system crash होने से, power failure होने से वो data lost नहीं होगा. That kind of concept is called as non-volatile. A data warehouse is kept separate from the operational databases, and therefore frequent changes in the operational database is not reflected in the data warehouse. यानी as you can see from the diagram कि data warehouse system जो होता है वो अलग से ही रखा जाता है, अलग ही system बनता है. Since it is separated from the actual database system, any changes made over here on day-to-day basis will not affect in the warehouse system because it is independent of the system. So only needed information is transferred. Any changes made over here is not reflected in the database house. Hence, we say it is non-volatile. Key storage is permanent, and even you have new data, you can always access the previous data as well. So these were the features of the data warehouses. Next video will study what is data warehouse and what is the difference between data mart. So in case of any confusions in this video, please let me know.